Okay, so we're going to create the popsicle effect in Gravit Designer. We will use a letter landscape size. And the first thing we want to do is select the two shapes that we're going to need. First thing we're going to need is a rectangle. And then we're going to use the ellipse or the circle tool. And to adjust it a little bit further, we're going to use the subselect tool, the white arrow, and we're going to round out those corners. And then we can adjust the ellipse to create more of a popsicle shape. Next, you'll want to select both shapes, and up at the top, select the Create Compound shape. That will put them together, and then what we want to do after we've created this compound shape is we select them both again, and we go back up to the top to convert to path. This will make it all one shape. So now let's go ahead and go to Pixabay and let's find a watercolor background that we can use. Once you have your background, go to File and Import and Place Image. So find the image it's usually in Downloads, select it and go to Open. And the next step is going to be to place it right on top of the shape so that we can mask it. Select both the watercolor background and the shape. And then you want to select the mask tool up top. And now you have this popsicle shape with this watercolor design inside. So now let's go ahead and create the wooden sticks that we're going to use for it, just to make the design complete. Once again, use the sub-select tool. We'll do a close-up, and you want to round out so it looks like a popsicle stick. And again, a little shortcut. We just click on the popsicle stick, hold down Option, and we automatically have a new one. Now let's put the popsicle layer on top of the sticks. And let's add a little detail to the popsicle sticks. We're going to add a shadow to each one. One last little detail, we're going to add kind of those indentions that you will see in a popsicle. So we'll use the rectangle tool, and let's change it to black so it'll create like a shadow. And let's lower the opacity quite a bit. Lower it to 20% so that we can see through it. Now let's go in for a close-up view after we click on the sub-select tool, and let's round out that shape. Once again, we use Option to duplicate the shape, and we've finished our popsicle.